Come along today and clean with me. We have behind the couch. This is where many things are hidden. You can't see it from the front door, which is over there. So we start seedlings in the spring. We've got the dog's crate, which we never use. It's just bad. And it's not hidden, at least not for me, because I'm always the one that comes and opens and closes all the drapes, and it's squished and it's horrible. Let's just get rid of it. It won't take long. I'm going to put in some headphones, talk to my father while I'm cleaning, killing two birds with one stone. So come along with me and let's clean up this mess. Let's have a close look at it first. So what have we got? We've got a behind the couch table, which I don't even know why we have it. We're going to get rid of it. It's just a place to pile things on. We've got dirt that we use from the seedlings. We've got seeds that never ever started, never really germinated, nothing happened with. We've got the dog's crate, which we don't use anymore because it's back here. Who knows? Dead bugs, dead everything. It is time to clean it up. So here we go. Put my headphones in. Put my hair back because we're getting serious now. Phone my father and make him happy, make everybody happy, and get to work. The hardest part is getting started. And just like that, it's done. It doesn't take very long. It's been nagging at me for a long time, ever since we put the seedlings outside and then the ones that didn't take, the garbage that stayed there. It was time to go. I saw it every time I walked past this room. The hardest part is getting started. An object in motion stays in motion. An object at rest stays at rest. The hardest part is the initial oomph, the gumption to get up and start doing it. And because the seedlings were there, we couldn't get at the dog crate, which we don't use anymore. So now I can easily shut the curtains because it is hot outside, and keeping the curtains shut helps so much. Look at that, a little space for the dog. And everybody's happy. Another thing I can check off my list and move on to the next. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.